As a longtime prescription glasses wearer that can't walk a few steps without a pair of glasses, I've always been interested in the best smart glasses. They have the potential to turn something that may be a nuisance for people into a versatile and feature-packed wearable. My first experiences with early smart glasses, such as Snapchat spectacles, were underwhelming, but now it's finally time to start paying attention to smart glasses. I've been using the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses for a year, and the experience has been wonderful. In fact, it was so wonderful that I picked up a second pair when I heard about the limited edition transparent frames launching at MetaConnect 2024. 1 year later, and another pair of slick new frames acquired. These are my 5 favorite Ray-Ban Meta features. 1. Use multimodal AI to learn about your surroundings. Perhaps the best part of owning a pair of Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses is that they've continually gotten better over time. We never tell anyone to buy products based on the promise of future software updates, but we have to give credit when it's due. I bought my Ray-Ban Meta glasses for $300 in 2023. Fast forward to today, and Meta has delivered a handful of all new features completely free of charge. One such feature is multimodal artificial intelligence, and it aims to turn the Ray-Ban Meta glasses into something like a humane AI pin or rabbit drone. With the Meta AI and camera use toggles flipped on in the Meta View app, you can ask your glasses for insight about your surroundings. Simply saying, "Hey Meta, what am I looking at?" will prompt the glasses to snap a picture, send it to Meta for processing, and provide a spoken response. This is something that Humane, OpenAI, Google, and Apple are all trying to do, and Meta's version is available right now. 2. Listen to music and media with open-ear speakers. Many people are turning to great open-ear headphones like the Nothing Ear Open for a more comfortable listening experience. While in-ear headphones might cause fatigue or discomfort during long listening sessions, open-ear variants stay out of your ear for supreme comfort. For Ray-Ban Meta owners, the excellent news is that those smart glasses double as open-ear headphones. There is an open-air speaker inside each temple on the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, and they can be used as regular Bluetooth headphones. You can even ask Meta AI to play music for you hands-free using Spotify or Apple Music integration. Although the sound quality isn't outstanding, I've loved using Ray-Ban Meta glasses as headphones for comfort and convenience. 3. Snap a photo or video with the press of a button. Of course, the headlining feature of the Ray-Ban Metas is the 12MP ultra-wide camera hidden in the end piece of the glasses. The quality of this sensor is downright impressive for its size, and you can record video at up to 1440 x 1920 resolution at 30 FPS. In fact, some of my favorite photos I've ever taken were captured with the Ray-Ban Meta's smart glasses, like this one, a frigate bay in St. Kitts below. If you pixel peep, I'm sure you will be able to notice some detail issues. It's a tiny sensor after all. Still, if you told me 5 years ago that a pair of glasses took that photo, I wouldn't believe it. The great thing about the camera isn't the quality, it's how quickly you can snap a photo or start recording. All you have to do is press or hold the button atop the temple. These glasses allow me to capture moments in stunning detail while staying in the moment, and there's nothing like them. 4. Share your view on a video call or live stream. Meta designed the Ray-Ban smart glasses to work with its full slate of social apps, and that includes WhatsApp, Messenger, and Instagram. With the press of a glasses-shaped icon on any of these apps, you can share a first-person view of what you're looking at on a video call or live stream. This opens new possibilities for content creation and video calling, because you can share your experiences while keeping your hands completely free. 5. Give yourself a photographic memory with reminders. I've always wondered what it would be like to have a photographic memory. With the latest Ray-Ban Meta feature added just last month, I don't have to wonder anymore. A new Reminders tab in the Meta View app now stores quick photos that are intended to jog your memory and help you avoid forgetting important things. Just say, "Hey Meta, remind me about this later," and the glasses will snap a photo and add it to your Meta View app. You might be surprised by how helpful a single photo can be as a reminder. For example, I often resolve to respond to an email later in the day, only for it to completely slip my mind. With the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, I'll ask Meta AI for a reminder, it'll snap a photo of the email on my phone or computer, and when I see it later, I'll remember to reply to it. This process can be applied to just about anything, including home chores, important papers, and more. I've never been able to consistently use a reminder app, but I've loved using this feature so far. Should you buy a pair of Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses? Starting at $300, a pair of Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses won't cost more than a pair of designer sunglasses. Still, non-smart Wayfarer sunglasses cost under $200, so you're paying a premium for the tech inside the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Though I'm not much of a social media creator, the Ray-Ban Meta glasses have changed the way I use technology after a year of wearing them. If you listen to music often, want to take photos while being in the moment, or need an AI companion, these smart glasses are for you.